Welcome to RYO Wallet QUASAR. In this video, I shall show you how you can create RYO Wallet QUASAR account. First, open the official website of the RYO Wallet QUASAR website. Here click on Create a new account. Enter your wallet name. Click on Save this wallet. Enter your password and confirm your password. Click Create Wallet button, click on Continue. Now here save all keys with your. Note that is a very important key. If you lost it you will lose your account. Now here get the pattern according to phrase words that you saved with yours. Click on the Open Wallet. Now you have successfully created the RYO Wallet QUASAR account. So you can send and receive the coins to this wallet. Thanks for watching this video.